Hello everyone. Now we are going to create a project in Ease software. First of all, open the Ease software. Now this is these are the previous history that are kept here. So we'll click on cancel. Cancel पे click किया. Now go to the files and new project. Now create a project. Basically we are going to create a project. Create a project. Yes. Overwrite. Now a new project has been created. इस न्यू प्रोजेक्ट में हम सबसे पहले एक मॉडल इंपोर्ट करेंगे. दैट मॉडल विल बी इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम हेयर. गो टू इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट. एक नई विंडो ओपन होके आएगी एट द बेस टूल एट द बार बेस टूल बार. दिस वन. क्लिक हेयर. नाउ गो टू टूल्स, then import DXF or SketchUp. Now it will take me to take me to a folder. Now from where take the model where you have saved it. Now go to not Bandicam, new folder, and let's take a model. I have already created two models. Now click on import, open. Include invisible structures. No, don't click here. Now click on OK. Now this is the model, but this is in a single layer. Okay. Now add some materials any material to it. Let's add it here, like this one is generic brick. I'm going to take generic brick unglazed. Now assign from the file. Click here. No, this one is not. Click here, assign from list. Now this material is assigned. Click on OK. And it's asking to save this file. Yes, save it. Now reopen. No. Yes, view it. Now we are going to edit the room. Modify data. Modify data. Now in this modified data, another window will open at the base. Each time Ease opens a new window. Now we can see there's so much confusion. Let's see how we are going to solve this. There's a lot of faces are here. Now go to tools and check the holes. See, these are the holes that is created here. Okay, now close the holes. It will take some time, like it's showing 14 minutes 16 minutes, and it will go on. It's better to redraw your model again and check the holes in the previous model instead of checking it here. So I'm going to cancel it and going to check my model again. So this was a basic procedure how to import a model into the Ease software. So we will meet again in the next video.